Hello students, in this video lecture I am going to discuss MCQs related to isometric projection. So let's start with question 1. The angle between isometric axis is equal to dash degrees. We have three isometric axes and these three isometric axes are inclined at an angle of 120 degree with respect to each other. Fine. So these isometric axes are inclined at an angle of 120 degree. Option D is correct. The value of ratio of isometric length to the true length is, in an isometric projection we have ratio of isometric length upon true length equal to 0.815. Okay, so you need to remember this value, that is the ratio of isometric length to the true length is 0.815. Also you need to remember what is the isometric length and the true length. If there is a reference line, from this reference line, if we draw measurement at an angle of 45 degree, then that measurement will be the true length. And if we draw the same measurement at an angle of 30 degree, then that measurement is reduced, right? So let's say that the measurement of a line which is at 45 degree is 10 centimeter, then the measurement of the same 10 centimeter line at a 30 degree will be having length equal to 10 centimeter into 0.815. Okay, so this is the factor by which your length which is at a 45 degree is reduced. So the length which is at 45 degree is called as a true length, and the length which is at the angle of 30 degree with respect to that of the horizontal is called as isometric length. Next question. The length of isometric drawing of line is 20 centimeter. Then what is the true length? We have ratio of isometric length upon true length equal to 0.815. In this case, the isometric length is given as 20. So we have 20 upon true length equal to 0.815. We can solve this equation to find out the true length, and the value of true length will be equal to 20 divided by 0.815, and that is equal to 4.53 centimeter. Next question. The true length of the edge of the cube is 15 centimeter. What is the isometric length? In this case also we will use the same relation, that is isometric length upon true length is equal to 0.815. In this case the true length is given as 15 centimeter. So this true length is equal to 15 centimeter, which will go on the right hand side, and from that we will find out the isometric length. So the isometric length value will be 15 into 0.815, and that is equal to 12.22 centimeter. Line parallel to the isometric axis are called as, so the line which is parallel to the isometric axis, we have this isometric axis at 120 degree with respect to each other. So if we draw a line which is parallel to the isometric axis, then those lines are called as isometric lines. The planes parallel to any of the two isometric lines is called as which planes? So let's say that these are the three isometric lines, and if we draw a plane, let's say this is a plane, right? You can say that this plane is parallel to any of the two isometric line, then these planes are called as what? Then these planes are called as isometric planes. So I am drawing these planes over here. So these planes, there are 6 planes which I have shown in this figure. So these planes are nothing but the isometric planes. The isometric view of the cube is drawn at an angle between the edges of the cube, and the horizontal will be equal to dash degrees. So in this case, first of all, to draw the isometric view of the cube, we have to draw a horizontal reference line. From this horizontal reference line, we have to draw 30 degree on both the direction, right? So this angle with respect to the horizontal will be 30 degree. This will be the length of the cube, this will be the width of the cube, and we have a height of the cube. So this height will be the vertical. Fine. So we have 3 edges of the cube: height, length and width. So if we complete it, we will get a cube like this. Okay. So in this case, the edge of the cube will make angle of 30 degree with respect to that of the horizontal line? The answer for this is equal to what? It is equal to 30 degree. The isometric view of cube is drawn. The angle between the edge of the cube and the vertical will be. Now in this case, the angle between edge of the cube and the vertical. So we have a cube like this. Now the angle between the edge of the cube, this is the edge of the cube, right? This is one of the edge of the cube and this is the vertical line. So the angle between the edge of the cube and the vertical will be, if from the horizontal the angle is 30 degree, so with the vertical it will be what? It will be 60 degree, because total is 90 degree. So this angle will be 60 degree. Answer for this is C, 60 degree. The true length of the line is 30 centimeter and the isometric view is drawn. Then how much the length is reduced? We need to say how much the length is reduced. Fine. So we have a ratio of isometric length by true length, and that is equal to 0.815. 0.815. Now in this case, true length is equal to 30 centimeter. So this true length will go on the right hand side, and from that we will find out the isometric length. And so 30 into 0.815, if you measure 30 into 0.815, then it will turns out to be 24.45, right? So this is what? This is isometric length. Okay, so this is what? Isometric length. Now it is less than the true length by how much? So it is less than the true length by 30 minus 24.45, and that will be equal to 5.55 centimeter, right? So we need to say how much the length is reduced. The length is reduced by 5.55 centimeter. Next question. The isometric view of the cube is drawn and the faces of the cube are seen as. So if we draw the isometric view of a cube, it will look like this. These are the faces of the cube, right? So there are total 6 faces of the cube. 1, 2, this is 3 face, 4 face, you can see over here, 5 face and 6 face. So there are total 6 faces, and in a cube this 6 faces will look like a rhombus, right? If a isometric projection is drawn with the true measurement but not with the isometric scale, then the drawing is called as, it is called as isometric view. You should know the difference between isometric projection and isometric view. In an isometric view, we are not using isometric scale for drawing. We are not using isometric scale for a drawing in isometric view, whereas in case of isometric projection, we are using isometric scale. So next question says that if isometric drawing is made using isometric scale, then the drawing is called as what? It is called as isometric projection. So the answer for this is option A, isometric projection. Next question. The front view of a square is given and has to be drawn with the isometric view. Which angle the base should make with the horizontal? So but obvious that the angle which the base should make with the horizontal is 30 degree, because we have a square, front view as a square. Now to draw it as an isometric view, first of all we need to draw a horizontal line. From this horizontal line, the square is having length and height as L. So we have to take the length at 30 degree. So in this case you can say that the angle which this side makes with horizontal, it is 30 degree, and this will be the length. Fine. So length as L and height as L. So length and height will combine and this square will look like a rhombus in case of the isometric projection, and one of the edge will make 30 degree with the horizontal. The front view of the square is given and has drawn its isometric view. Which angle the vertical edge has to make with the horizontal? The angle which vertical edge has to make with the horizontal. Okay, fine. So understand this. The angle which is made by the horizontal edge, made by the vertical edge. Okay, it is made by the vertical edge. This is the vertical edge of the square. So this vertical edge makes with the horizontal as 90 degree. Fine. 90 degree. So the answer for this is option A, which is 90 degree. Isometric view of the rhombus becomes, so the isometric view of the rhombus becomes parallelogram. With this question, I end the MCQs on isometric projections. If you like this video, then please share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.